Good morning, students. I am your science teacher. I am going to explain your current chapter, that is chapter 13, and the name of the chapter is Fun with Magnet. Fun with Magnet. It means, let us explain the heading of this chapter. Fun means play. Magnet means the object which can attract the material which is having iron. In your day-to-day life, you have seen so many things that get attracted towards another material. So as far as the discovery of this magnet is concerned, first time some in the foreign country, some workers, they are doing some jobs, they are going with their domestic animals, they are grazing animals, the grazing animals are grazing and they are having the stick, and their stick are having the iron piece in the bottom area. That iron piece, whenever they put their iron piece on a particular substance on the field, in the field, then that will be stick to that particular object. So they termed as the lodestone. That they are the big stones which are present at there, and that particular substances were known as the lodestone. They told them lodestone. Lodestone. So the name of the another name of the magnet is lodestone. Okay, lodestones are the stones which are made up of magnetic material, iron material, and that particular magnetic material are having the capability, are having the characteristics to attract to the iron material towards them. Later on, these lodestones are known as the magnetite. Magnetite. So these two names are famous as far as the discovery of the magnet is concerned. The chemical formula of the magnetite is Fe3O4, means iron. This Fe means iron, O means oxygen, means iron, 3 molecule, 3 atom of iron and 4 atom of oxygen. When they get combined together, they will form the magnetite. It means this is the complex form of the iron oxide. Okay, so these magnets are discovered in the name of the magnetite. Now what are the characteristics of the magnet? The magnet are substance which can attract the substance. Those are having the magnetic material like iron, but the material like plastic, rubber, paper, etc., they cannot attract to any of the material. So this magnetite is known as the magnet. Now see how many types of the magnets are there. How many types of the magnets are there? So magnets are of mainly two types. One is natural magnet, another is artificial. So natural magnet are the lodestone, magnetite, and our earth. Our earth is a big magnet. Our earth is the big magnet which is having two poles, north and south. Earth, lodestone, created by the nature. And this earth is a natural magnet because of this mantle. Iron is present in the mantle of the earth, core of the earth. Because of the presence of iron in the core of the earth, this earth automatically work as a magnet. And there are two poles on the earth. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Now see the artificial magnets. Artificial magnets means the man-made magnets, which are of two types. These are the artificial magnets, and which are of so many types, like this. These are known as the bar magnet. These are known as bar magnet. So bar magnet are somehow like this. Two parts of the magnet which represent both poles, and you will see by several activities polarization in the magnet. Another is this U-shaped magnet. U-shaped magnet means this is the U-shaped magnet, and this U-shaped magnet is another magnet. This U-shaped magnet. So this is the artificial magnet. And round magnet is also there. Round magnet like this. Like this. And like this. These are the round magnets. So these are the artificial magnets. So my dear student, in your day-to-day practice, in your day-to-day lab, in your home, so many appliances are there. In your home, so many appliances are there, and that appliance, like refrigerator, when you open the door of the refrigerator, then the door will automatically close with its body together only due to the magnetic attraction. In fan which is producing air, there is magnet. In earphone and microphone and radios, there are magnets. In other appliances like water pump, there is a magnet. So many appliances are made, electrical appliances, home appliances are made up of magnets. So dear students, now you can see how does this magnet attracts to the another iron. What happens with the magnet? So my dear student, suppose this is the magnet. Suppose this is the magnet. This is a magnet having its two parts. So this magnet will have, this will have N, this will have S, this will have S, N and S, north and south. And the magnetic, due to the magnetic force, due to the force of attraction by the magnet, the magnetic waves, they create the magnetic field. These are the magnetic field from pole to pole, like this, like this, like this. These are the magnetic field, magnetic force. But at the poles, the magnetic force are greater than the middle piece. The magnetic force are greater than at the poles than this middle piece. So this is the magnet, north and south, and this is the creation of the magnetic field right from this to this. Means if you keep up iron metal here, then that will catch by this. If you keep iron metal here, then that will catch by this. Here, so these are the magnetic field. So these are some intro about the magnet discovery, types of the magnet, and the magnet is made up of iron nail. Suppose you take a key, iron nail, you touch that iron nail to a magnet, then this iron nail will also be converted into the magnet. This iron nail will able to attract another iron nail, and by this the whole complete iron structure that will be converted into the magnet. So my dear students, there are several activities to check the magnet, to check the magnetic poles, to check the magnetic field. So many activities are there. Suppose there is an activity, if that this is a magnet having north and south pole, and you put some iron here, iron pieces here. Then you see that this iron piece mostly will be attracted here, and this iron piece, will be mostly attracted will be here, but lesser will be attracted at this place. So by this you can check that the magnetic poles are having a little bit magnetic force, less effect of the magnetic force, less creation of the magnetic force, that you will see over here. My dear students, now see another activity. In another activity, you will be able to see that if you put a stand over here, if this stand is fixed at this place, then you keep a rod like this and thread, and you put a magnet. That magnet will be automatically set into a direction, and that direction is this will be N, this will be S, this will be N, this will be S. So this is another type of activity. This is the another type of the activity related to the magnet and magnetic field. My dear student, another activity are also there. You can play the magnet. You take a magnet. If you take a magnet having its north and its south, then the another magnet which is having north and south. Suppose this magnet will have the north and south. This magnet will north and south, and it will attract. If this is the north, then they will attract. If this is the south, then that will repulse. So my dear students, so many activities are there that are given there, and by putting your effort, you can complete your this learning process. You can check the videos, you can check the learning notes, and by which this you can learn at your home. Thank you very much. Have a good day.